In decentralized finance, mistakes don't wait for permission. They don't pause, they don't warn you, and they definitely don't forgive. Recently, a DeFi protocol called Moonwell lost nearly $1.78 million. Not because of hackers, not because of insiders, but because of a small error introduced in code partially written by artificial intelligence. And what happened next tells us something important about the future of AI, finance, and trust. AI can now write software faster than most human developers. Entire applications, smart contracts, financial systems. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and other coding models are changing how software is built. But finance, especially decentralized finance, operates under a brutal rule. Code is law. Once deployed, mistakes aren't debates, they become opportunities. Today we are breaking down what happened to Moonwell, how an AI-generated coding mistakes triggered real financial losses, and why this may be a preview of a much bigger risk coming to AI-powered development. Moonwell is a decentralized finance protocol. Think of it as a crypto-based lending platform. Users deposit crypto assets, others borrow against them. Interest rates adjust automatically. No banks, no customer service desk, just smart contracts running on blockchain networks. Everything depends on math and automation. And one of the most important pieces of that automation is something called an oracle. A price oracle tells a protocol how much currency it is worth. If you deposit Ethereum worth 2000, the system needs accurate pricing to know how much you can borrow safely. Moonwell relied on an oracle to track the value of cbETH, a token tied to stake Ethereum. Normally, cbETH traded around $2,200, but after a code update partially co-written using an AI model, something went wrong. The pricing formula contained a bug, and suddenly the oracle reported the asset price as just over $1, not 2,000, just 1. In traditional finance, this might trigger alarms, trading halts, human intervention, manual review, but DeFi markets don't hesitate. They react instantly. Automated arbitrage bots detected the pricing error within seconds, and they did exactly what they were designed to do. They exploited it. Bots began repaying massive debts for almost nothing, buying cbETH at artificially cheap prices, and extracting value from the protocol automatically. No emotions, no ethics, just math. By the time Moonwell's team noticed the misconfiguration, the damage was already done. Losses reached approximately $1.78 million. Now here's the uncomfortable part. The faulty code was reportedly co-authored using Claude Opus 4.6, an advanced AI coding assistant. This doesn't mean AI intentionally caused the loss. AI doesn't understand consequences. It predicts patterns in code based on training data, and most of the time it works incredibly well. But AI has a known weakness. It can produce code that looks correct, runs correctly, but behaves incorrectly under specific conditions. In software development, this is manageable. In decentralized finance, it can be catastrophic because once code is deployed on-chain, mistakes become permanent until exploited, and markets move faster than human oversight. This wasn't just a bug, it exposed a new risk emerging in technology. We are entering an era where humans review less code, AI writes more infrastructure, and financial systems run autonomously. The speed increases, but understanding decreases. Developers may trust AI-generated output because it appears sophisticated. Yet AI doesn't truly verify economic logic. It doesn't simulate adversarial markets, and it doesn't anticipate thousands of trading bots searching for weakness 24 hours a day. In DeFi, every line of code is a live experiment with real money. AI accelerates creation, but markets accelerate exploitation. The gap is dangerous. We may soon see more incidents where AI-generated smart contracts introduce subtle vulnerabilities and automated systems discover them instantly, not through hacking but through optimization. The future risk may not be malicious actors, it may simply be systems moving faster than human verification can keep up. AI didn't steal $1.78 million, and Moonwell didn't fail because developers were careless. This happened because technology is evolving faster than the safeguards around it. AI can write code faster than ever before, but financial markets punish mistakes faster than ever before. And as AI becomes a co-developer of global financial systems, the real question isn't whether errors will happen, it's how expensive the next one will be. If you enjoy deep dives into technology, AI, and the hidden risks shaping the future, subscribe for more documentary-style analysis. because the biggest changes in technology rarely arrive as headlines. They arrive as small mistakes with very large consequences.